Good morning, day 3 here in Hampton, Virginia, at the Mid-Atlantic Quilt Show. We're opening up here in just a few minutes, booth number 219, if you want to stop by and visit us, see a demo live. This morning, real quick before we get going, I'm going to do a couple of our stone templates. Now these templates can be used with either your 1/2 inch foot or your 1/4 inch foot. Either foot will work. So even if you've got a different brand, the Clarity, the Westerly Ruler, or the Westerly Foot, any of those, you can still use any of our stone templates. So I've got my circles here, so the pocket pebbler, also the hexies, which is the stepping stones, and that's kind of what I'm going to be demoing here this morning. I don't know if you can see this clearly, but I have, this is my white water-soluble marking pen. And I've marked on here some crosshairs, just very lightly, and that's just to give myself some reference. If you're familiar with the old-timey Spyrographs, I'm going to do a Spyrograph here this morning and show you what that looks like. So all I'm going to do is put my needle down right in the center of that crosshair, pull my bobbin thread up to the top, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my foot down and just, well, you have to turn on the sewing machine. There you go. A couple little stitches to lock that in place. Stop needle down. And I'll trim these threads out of my way here. So for the sake of vision, I'm going to use the larger circle here. I've got my hot glue on the back, but you can see the registration line goes straight across the middle, and then you also have the horizontal. Okay, I'm going to slide this under my foot, and I'm going to start at the horizontal registration line there, and all I'm going to do is stitch all the way around, stop, needle down right in the center. Now I'm going to slide my template over, lining up that registration line on my marked line underneath. Stitch again, stop in the center, needle down. This time I'm going to move to the top position, making sure that I'm lining up my marked line with my registration mark on my template, and then I'll slide towards me, again lining those all up, and we're going to do the exact same thing going the opposite direction. So I'm going to line up those registration line with my marked line here and do the other 4. Stop in the center, and the last 2. So this gets us 8 circles. Now this will work with any shape. It doesn't necessarily have to be circles, but a really cool look, super easy to do. Let me pull that out of here. And you can see you get really nice design, great in motifs, or use it, as an all over, stitch it out, meander in between, and you've got a really nice design. So if you're interested in the pocket pebbler, you can visit our website at www.cscountrystitchin.com. The white water-soluble pen is also available on the website as well. So have a great day. Thank you.